Hey everybody, what's up going on? Welcome back to my channel. It is Dee Symone and I'm just going to get right into this tutorial. I'm starting with this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn, and I am just putting this on my eyelids and tapping it in with this Real Techniques brush. You want to make sure you get this as smooth as possible so it's no wrinkles and crinkles in your shadow, especially when you set it. I'm setting it with my Fenty setting powder in the color Cashew. This is also the setting powder I use for my face. I have the ABH Modern Renaissance palette and I am starting with the color Burnt Orange, and I am using this as my base color, so I'm placing it on the upper outer crease area. I'm then going into the color Real Girl, whatever the color is, and I am just placing this a little bit under the burnt orange color, and I am making sure that I dip my brush in a few times just so I can make sure I get the pigment of the color onto my skin, because I did not use any like white base or anything to make sure the eyeshadows pop, because I wanted it to be like a more natural soft glam look. So you just want to make sure that you go back into the color a few times and that you are patting. So I'm going in with the color Love Letter and I'm using this for my crease area. Like I said before, you want to make sure you are patting the color on, also blending it out when you do this. And I also went back and forth between the color Love Letter and Real Guard to just make sure that I got a nice even blend and that it was soft. Now this palette did come out some time ago, but you know, you can always purchase it. They still have it in Ulta. I still see it. So go ahead and get you one, girl. I love this color scheme so much. I'm going in with the color Primavera and I'm taking, this is a MAC brush and it is kind of pointy at the end, and I'm doing this just to give the illusion of a cut crease, but a little bit, you know, of a softer cut crease, I guess. I am then going to blend the edges of this out with the Love Letter eyeshadow and also the eyeshadow color in Real Guard. I don't know how to pronounce it. Real Guard, I think. So you want to make sure you blend out the outer edges of that just so you can get the soft blend like I was talking about before. And I'm going back in with the color Primavera, going back and forth again, so it just blends out really nicely. I am taking this clay paint liner by Tarte. This is my favorite eyeliner. I use it in almost every video. This is the brush that comes with the eyeliner as well. I'm always here for a wing, so I'm going to wing this eyeshadow out. Making sure I'm real precise, making sure I cut this liner well. I am taking this Black Radiance primer and I'm just going to put it all over my face and on my forehead. Next, I am taking the Fit Me foundation, the matte and poreless, and I am the color 365. I'm going to be using this beauty blender. Of course, I got this from Sephora. Go get you one, go get you one. I love my beauty blender. And I'm just blending out this foundation into my skin evenly. I know it kind of looks a little bit orangey on camera, but after I put the setting powder and stuff, it evens out. I'm taking the same color Fawn in the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm using this to highlight under my eyes. I am also doing just above my lips, on my chin, on my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose. I'm taking this beauty blender again, but the sides of it, and I'm just going to blend everything out. Next, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal, this time in the color Chestnut, and I am using this as a cream contour. So I'm just contouring my face, on my cheeks, and on my forehead, and blending it all out with this Sedona lace brush. I am taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I believe this is in the color Tan. And this color is a full coverage concealer, so it's just going to give me maximum coverage. And I like to put the Shape Tape Concealer over the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm using my Fenty powder in the color Cashew, and I'm using this to set my entire face. Now I do place this under my contour, but as soon as I place it there, I wipe it off immediately. I let the rest of my face sit, but I wipe this off as soon as possible because I don't want it to look ashy under there. I just wanted to make it look as natural as possible, so don't let that sit for too long. These are the lashes that I will be using today, and I have already put them on. Now I am wiping this powder off of my face because I am done baking. Going to blend that out and everything together. I'm using this brush to put on my powdered contour, and I use the color Blunt by MAC. It is a blush. I'm not sure if they sell it anymore, but I'm sure you can get one that's close to it. And I'm using this eyeshadow brush from Sedona Lace to carve out and contour my nose. Now I'm going back in with my Tarte clay paint liner just to make sure my liner is as black as it can be, so it really pops. I don't like when the shadow and the setting powder get on the eyeliner because it doesn't pop as much as it could. So just make sure you go back over it, and I'm creating my cat eye with this as well. And you want to do this after you put the foundation and setting powder on again, just to make sure that it actually sticks out, because you can actually powder over the cat eye. I'm blending out the liner with the color Love Letter and this Real Technique smudge brush. I'm taking this Maybelline mascara, and I am brushing out my lower lashes. I'm taking this highlighter. This is the Mary Louminizer highlighter, and I am placing this on my cheekbones, also under my eyebrows, and down the bridge of my nose, and on the tip of my nose, and also on the top of my lips. I'm using this Makeup Forever blush. This is also Real Techniques blush brush. I really love it. It's really big, and I love the bulb on it. I'm taking this NYX liner in brown. I'm lining my lips multiple times just to make sure this liner pops. Just because the eyeshadow was so light, I wanted a darker lip liner. Where the other half of my heart go? Why am I in bed alone? How come when I drive by it looks like you are never home? Do you even live there? So then I'm taking NYX Tiramisu lip gloss, and I am placing this on after I put on that lip liner. And then I found this Buxom lip gloss in my case, so I just decided to try it out, and I actually ended up really liking it, so I'm going to be using that from now on. And it's just a nice soft pink color. I love it. That's why I don't have any makeup wipes, because after I do my makeup, I wipe my hands with a makeup wipe. But whatever. This is the finished look, so I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed this look today. Like I said, I really feel like they still have the Modern Renaissance palette at Ulta. I really love this palette and the colors. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.